Hi there, welcome back with another video on PIR sensor using the Arduino chip ATmega328P. First upload the code to the Arduino board. You can get the code from the link given in the description. Now remove the chip from the Arduino board. I recommend you to use the IC socket for the Arduino chip. Connect a 10 kilo ohm resistor to 1st and 7th pin of the IC. Connect a 16 MHz oscillator to 9th and 10th pin of the IC. Connect a 222 picofarad capacitor to the oscillator as shown. Connect 8th pin of the IC to its 22nd pin. Connect the 7th pin of the IC to its 20th pin. Connect out pin of the PIR sensor to 4th pin, VCC pin to 7th pin and ground pin to 22nd pin of the IC. Connect base pin of the BC547 transistor to 19th pin of the IC, collector pin to 7th pin or VCC, emitter pin to 2nd coil of the relay and 1st coil to 22nd pin or the ground. Connect a positive pin of the 5V DC supply to 7th pin of the IC and negative to 8th pin and 22 picofarad capacitors as shown. Make arrangements to enclose the circuit in a plastic box. Connect an IN4007 diode positive pin to 2nd coil and negative pin to 1st coil of the relay. Connect AC plug socket to common pin of the relay and AC bulb, and connect the another end of the AC bulb to NO pin of the relay. Place the IC in the IC socket and connect the circuit to the AC supply source. Now enjoy your project. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to this channel. Do share, like and comment. Thank you. Have a good day.